Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and pairing are clean. First, swap or recharge the battery so the mouse has stable voltage. Low power causes dropouts. Next, toggle the mouse off then on to reset its radio. On your computer or tablet, open Bluetooth settings, then remove any existing pairing for this mouse to avoid corrupted profiles. Once done, put the mouse into pairing mode and keep the device nearby so signals stay strong while you continue to the next step. Now focus on establishing a clean link and confirming software support. Put the mouse into pairing mode and watch the LED pattern so you know it's discoverable. On your computer, use the Bluetooth dialog to find and select the mouse. Accept any PIN prompts. If the mouse still won't connect consistently, open Device Manager or System Update tools and update or reinstall the Bluetooth and mouse drivers to resolve firmware mismatches. Make sure power-saving options aren't disabling the adapter, because that often breaks stable connections. Finish by verifying functionality and locking in settings. You should test cursor movement and every button across 2 or 3 apps to catch mapping issues. If the connection drops intermittently, make sure the Bluetooth adapter's USB power saving is disabled so it stays active. That prevents unexpected sleeps. Finally, if problems persist, perform the mouse factory reset using the manufacturer's method, then repair. If nothing fixes it, try the mouse on another device to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.